While you were sleeping, Salesforce replaced 200 customer service positions with autonomous AI agents. No announcement, no press release, just a quiet internal memo and severance packages delivered on a Tuesday morning. This isn't a prediction anymore. This is documentation. In the last 60 days, 17 Fortune 500 companies deployed AI systems that eliminated over 4,000 roles. Not automated them. Eliminated them. The positions simply stopped existing. And here's what nobody's telling you. They're just getting started. Goldman Sachs internal projections estimate that by December 2027, 43% of current white-collar positions will be restructured or removed. Not blue-collar. Factory work. White-collar. Knowledge work. The jobs that were supposed to be safe. Let me show you exactly what's happening right now. Customer service representatives. Gone by Q3 2026. Not because AI got smarter, because companies realized AI agents handle 300 conversations simultaneously with zero emotion, zero sick days, and zero salary negotiations. The economics aren't even close anymore. Junior analysts in finance, marketing, and consulting. 80-month countdown. AI can now generate reports, analyze datasets, build presentations, and summarize insights faster than teams of recent graduates. The only question companies are asking is legal liability, not capability. Entry-level software developers. This one surprises people. But AI coding assistants aren't assistants anymore, they're replacements. Companies are discovering that 2 senior developers with AI systems outproduce teams of 10 junior engineers. The math is brutal. Paralegals and legal document review used to employ thousands of law school graduates. Now AI processes 10 million pages in minutes with accuracy rates that exceed human performance. Firms are quietly not replacing people who leave. Here's the pattern nobody wants to say out loud. If your job is primarily information processing, greeting, summarizing, analyzing, reporting, you're in the replacement zone. Not eventually. Right now. But here's what separates the 1% from everyone else in this moment. They're not asking, will AI take my job? They're asking, how do I control the AI that's taking jobs? The wealth transfer in the next 18 months won't be about who works harder. It'll be about who owns the systems versus who gets replaced by them. 3 positions that become more valuable, not less. AI system architects, people who design how companies deploy AI infrastructure. Specialists who understand both the technology and business operations. These roles are paying $300,000 plus because demand is exploding. Human AI coordination managers. Someone has to manage the hybrid teams where AI handles volume and humans handle exceptions. Companies are realizing they need people who can translate between executive strategy and AI execution. And sovereign operators. People who've built businesses where they own the entire stack. No job title. No employment dependency. Just systems they control that use AI as leverage, not replacement. Here's the reality that most people won't accept until it's too late. Job security doesn't exist anymore. It's been replaced by system security. Either you own systems that create value, or you're a component in someone else's system waiting to be optimized out. You have 18 months. Not 18 months to panic, 18 months to reposition. To move from employee to operator. From replaceable to irreplaceable. From job security to sovereign security. This is bold bucks. We don't predict the future. We document the present that most people refuse to see. Every week we reveal the mechanisms the 1% deploy while everyone else debates what might happen. If you operate at this level, you're already part of the empire. Subscribe to confirm it.